All right, next we're solving -6 times the quantity x plus 2 equals 18. Like we saw in the other ones, if you watch the videos for those, just at glancing at this, I start to notice that there's not much on the right side, so I'm going to get to skip some of the steps about moving variables to different sides. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute. That's the first step that applies to this problem. -6x plus -6 times 2 is -12 equals 18. Next, I'm going to add something to both sides to get -6x alone. And I'm going to add 12. 18 plus 12 is 30. And because the coefficient is negative, I need to divide both sides by -6. So x equals 30 divided by -6 is -5. If number 5 made sense, I would suggest pausing the video and trying some of number 6 prior to me doing it, or maybe just watching the start and then pausing it once I start the distributive property to see if you can do that. I am going to do my sign change on this one. I do it on most of them because I have to be careful and make sure I'm distributing a -2. So here's a good spot to pause the video if you want to try that. So we got -2x plus -2. I notice this side has a lot of stuff. So before I start adding or subtracting things to both sides of this boundary line, I first just need to combine like terms. I got -2x plus 7 plus -2 is 5. Once you're stuck and you can't do any more cleanup, then we're going to start to move things over this boundary line. We add the opposite of the constant. 4 plus -5 is -1. We divide both sides by -2. We get x equals negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 1/2 is fully simplified. It is 1/2.